Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today we are exploring another oud oil from Ensar Oud, that is none other than People's Silani. So here is the bottle of People's Silani. So if you can see, this camera can focus. So this is People's Silani. So People's Silani is actually a co-distillation where we have three different woods that has been used in the extraction of this oil, that is Sri Lanka, TRAT and New Guinea. So this is a 3-gram bottle. When I started my oud journey in the start, I really loved these oud oils that have fruity vibe to them, that are sweet. So this is one of them. I actually bought 3 bottles. One is almost finished, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts on it, how it actually smells, whether you should buy it or not. So let's get started and see how it actually smells. So right from the bottle, so if you have ever smelled TRAT region oil, TRAT region oils are basically just like ripe fruits. So if I just explain TRAT oud oils, they are actually ripe fruit. So they are just like overripe fruit when it is started decomposing. So there is a sweetness and there is a kind of sourness smell to that fruit. For example, if you have mango or banana, when they start rotting or just overripe, that is the smell you get from TRAT or oud oils. So if we compare this People's Silani, it has Sri Lankan oud oils are basically breezy. They have the sea breeze kind of lightness to them. They are very sweet, they are light, just like sea breeze. So this oud oil, when it starts, let me just apply it. Okay, so for me, I think it has TRAT qualities the most prominent. It has that ripe fruitiness is overripe fruitiness is the most you can say major personality of this oud oil over here. So first, in the start, you are mostly going to get the breezy quality of Sri Lankan oud oil. Yes, there is a little bit of breeze in the start. That is due to sweet breeze, that is due to oud oils. I really don't like the oud oils from TRAT region. I'm not sure why, but I don't like them or enjoy them. So, but this one, I think Sri Lankan breeze, sweet breeziness has actually toned down the, you can say, overripe fruit effect of TRAT region, and this is how it actually smells. I'm not sure about New Guinea, how that area smells, but I think it would be some green profile. I don't sense much green or forestry kind of profile over here. I mostly sense TRAT and Sri Lanka. If I give them percentage, I think it is overripe fruit like 50%, and Sri Lankan breeze is going to be 30 to 40%, and 10% would be, I think, New Guinea. That is my assessment. So yes, you can really get Sri Lankan and TRAT, both of them mixed together. I haven't smelled New Guinea pure oud oil. I don't know how that region actually smells, but I have pretty good idea about TRAT and Sri Lankan oud oils. So that is my description of this People's Silani. So if you are trying to buy this People's Silani, make sure that you like this region. This is little bit of sweet breeze. If I explain it, it is little bit of sweet breeze with some overripe fruit in the middle. So this is all about People's Silani. It's a lovely oil. For an organic oud oils, I think it is one of the best I liked because of the three mixtures of three regions. I really enjoy Sri Lankan. I actually, if you ask me, I really like Sri Lankan oils, but I don't put them on my skin because for me they are overly sweet. And TRAT region oil, I don't like now when they are mixed together. That is a good balance. So that is why I purchased 3 bottles for this People Silani, and that is all my reviews and thoughts about People Silani. If you like this oil or want to purchase, make sure you get a sample first, but it is going to be what I have just described. So if you like light, sweet, breezy oil with some overripe fruit, that is your oil, People Silani. So that is all about People Silani. If you have enjoyed this review, make sure you like, subscribe and share this video with others. I will meet you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.